Hello guys. Welcome to the Unboxing Toys. Today we are unboxing Foosball game. In this game, you will get the team's flag stickers, 2 footballs, and 4 supports for the table. Now you see that, on the edges of the table, there are score bars, numbering 0 to 9, and the build quality of this game is good. The rod in this table is made up of plastic. And on the back side of this table, there are 4 holes in that 4 supports get sticked. Now, let's play the game. The aim of this game is to move the ball into the opponent's goal by manipulating rods which have figures attached.